Ndewo Ndioma. Good morning. Anyasalachi. Okay, I'm here to talk about the August program, online holiday Igbo lesson from Susugi Initiative. If you go flyer, if you go video, if you go write-ups, if you go so we have been sharing a lot of things to bring awareness towards this program, the online holiday Igbo lesson. What is it all about? And people have been calling us to ask, oh, I saw your flyer, what is in it for my child, what is in it for me, what is the program all about? And that has prompted this video. So the program is actually an Igbo language learning program. So every August annually we bring students together in a classroom online. The name suggests it's something we do online, so it's an online program. You can join in from anywhere. So we bring people together to teach them Igbo language. So the aim of the program is to help you start your Igbo language teaching in your home, and also to help build your child's interest in learning the language. We know that at the end of the program, our students are always eager to continue learning with us or on their own. We have resources to help them do that. We have a YouTube channel where we upload tutorials from time to time. So that's a very helpful resource that is free for everybody to use. Okay, we're not magicians. We're not saying that if you enroll in this program, you're going to automatically start speaking Igbo like a pro after 1 month. That is not what we're saying. It's actually the basics that we'll be teaching them. We'll be starting with introducing yourselves in Igbo. Teach them how to introduce themselves in Igbo, kekimere, and all that. When you meet people, things you say when you meet people. So that's the first thing they will be learning. Then again, they're going to be learning the Igbo greetings. Then again, they will be learning the Igbo alphabets. And then again, they will be learning how to make simple sentences in Igbo, just like I have said earlier on. Just the basics. That's what we're going to be teaching them this August. It's going to last just for a few weeks in August. Okay, it's more. The key thing is that whatever we are teaching them is going to be taught in a fun and interactive manner. So the lessons are all going to be fun, and they are all going to be very, very interactive. It's something your child would love. It's something you would love. So we hope to see you on the 8th of August, like we said, for the August program, the online holiday Igbo lesson. Please don't miss out. Help us also to share this video so that people who would love to be a part of this program can get to see the adverts and maybe reach out before the 8th of August, so that everybody can start the same time, learn the same things, and end the same time as well. But if you still have more questions, please, you can go ahead and call the number on your screen or send a WhatsApp message to the number on your screen. We are always there to reply your messages and to take your calls. You can ask us any other thing you may wish to know about the program, and we will reply you. And also call the number too if you wish to enroll. So, Kemesia Yagazi Godi.